Hi everyone, my name is Lex Anderson. I'm a senior associate with Sensiba. I've been with Sensiba for almost a year now. Prior to Sensiba, I was with a larger public accounting firm for almost 3 years. So I have about 4 years of experience in the SOC industry. With Sensiba, I'm primarily focused on SOC 1s.
My name is Chris Rowe. I'm a senior manager here at Sensiba. I've been with Sensiba for the past 4 years or so, and I've been in the security and compliance space for about 8 years.
Describe a SOC 1 audit and its purpose. So a SOC 1 audit is a report that focuses on the services that you provide to your clients that could potentially impact their financial reporting or accuracy of their financial information. By getting a SOC 1 report, you can provide your clients with a report showing the different controls and risk management practices that you have in place, which ultimately provides your clients with the assurance that their financial data is accurate. So who needs a SOC 1 audit? Some of the different industries that Sensiba services for SOC 1 include payroll and benefit processing, so HR platforms, fund administration services, so different hedge funds, private equity services companies, billing and revenue SaaS platforms, as well as sales and commissions SaaS platforms, and finally, just different financial processors and different fintech companies.
How is SOC 1 different than SOC 2? The main difference is SOC 2 has specific trust service criteria that is set forth by the AICPA, and you must have controls in place to achieve that set criteria. SOC 1 is fully customizable and primarily based around ICFRs, which are internal controls around financial reporting. There are typically two parts to a SOC 1 report: ITGCs, which are IT general controls, and ICFRs. One major advantage of consolidating your SOC 2 and SOC 1 report with Sensiba is we can directly leverage your SOC 2 testing to cover the ITGC portion of the SOC 1. This means no additional or double efforts from your end.